For me, design is all about placemaking with natural light. I'm Leah Solk, principal at Solk Architecture, and welcome to my client's home in the beautiful West Village. My design style is modernism with warmth and character. For this project, the client wanted to marry that type of modernism with the historic nature of this townhouse originally built in 1839. Can't wait to show you. Come, let's take a look. We wanted this vestibule to serve multiple purposes. Since we all spend so much time working from home now, there's also a desk here, but it's still sleek and beautiful, so it welcomes you to the home. From there, we wanted to give a clue to the rest of the apartment. For that, we selected an Alice in Wonderland themed wallpaper, which gives a sense of the whimsy you're gonna find beyond. This is the living dining room, and my design intent here was all about featuring natural light. One of the ways we did that was making sure that you could see all three windows at the same time, whether you're in the home office or the living room. The design of the dining room was all about communal dining and hosting big parties. So the 60-inch round table allows a lot of people to gather around and have good conversation and look across the table at a lot of different people. The light fixture above really centers it in the space, and further, it's right next to this original wood-burning fireplace. The molding is a great example of my take on modernism. It speaks to the historic nature, but it doesn't take away the eye or feel heavy on the ceiling. Now, let me show you what I did in the office. This is the home office, which was a total design collaboration with the client. Originally in this space, the living room had a greeny blue tone throughout. Bringing it in here made this feel like a moody jewel box where you can focus on work, but also, when you're done, can function as a guest room. And you can even close these shutters for privacy. But when they're open, you can see through to the living room. And for even more cohesion between these two spaces, we used the same hand-blown glass sconce on both sides of that arch. The basis for the design inspiration in the kitchen was actually exposing this brick wall. From there, we took that texture and we also used a brick tile on the backsplash of the kitchen, so those two brick features talk to each other across the space. My favorite part of this whole apartment is the eat-in part of the kitchen. The banquette has two different directions to it. One is a seat for one, so you can sit by the fire and enjoy conversation with the chef. The other side is a small eating area, and the curve allows you to slide in easily. We mimicked that curve also with the table, which was custom cut to fit the space. The original apartment was a series of sinewy and confusing hallways. One of the aims of the design was to open it up so that you can see through to the apartment from front to back. And it holds a surprise, which I'll show you now. Surprise! It's always a challenge to add bathrooms to New York City apartments. To solve that in this project, we created a new hallway back to the primary suite. To add privacy, a custom glass and steel enclosure was created for the shower and tub on this side and the view out to the beautiful West Village on the other. In the primary bedroom, the main design idea was maintaining as much of the original space as possible. The rest of the furniture was selected to be thoughtful and sympathetic to that historical context. We created an entire closet that connects the primary bathroom to the primary bedroom. The cane ceiling in that room is a callback to the historical materials in the bedroom as well. The goal of this renovation was to revitalize this historic apartment without losing the character. We did that by treating every room like its own design exploration. Thank you so much for joining me and taking a look.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.